What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys yet again with another YouTube video. And in this video, as you guys saw in the title, we're actually gonna go, well, one, depositing a check into the bank, and two, we're gonna be filling a couple of my ATMs. I'm gonna break down for you guys the profits that these ATMs actually make me. So make sure and stay till the very end of this video if you guys wanna see us do that. Make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this YouTube video. Make sure and come subscribe if you guys are brand new here, and come follow me along. How's your day going?
Pretty good. How's yours?
It's phenomenal, thank you.
It's Monday, but it's actually
It's actually Thursday. It's kind of weird. It's kind of different with the whole cold weather with me. You know, I'm just not sure how I'm feeling. I'm 50-50 right now. It's a little too chilly for me. Just made a little 297 real quick. Just courses, man. Courses. We're putting $6,000 in between two ATMs. The two ATMs that I actually am going to go load, one of them makes us right around $500 a month, and the other one makes us right around $200 a month. At the end of the day, between two ATMs, it's $600 a month. There's a lot of people out there that try to go out there and get some passive income that allows you to actually earn $600 a month. So it's a beautiful business.
And Austin, what account did you want this in?
Spending money, please. Thank you so much. You too. So these two ATMs that me and Mr. Jackson here, guys, that we have that we're gonna go install are, one of them is actually a nail salon. This nail salon has been in business for a couple years now, actually. It's downtown Phoenix. It's called Mariah Nails. They do a phenomenal job, ladies. I was literally walking by it downtown, and I'll show you guys like the area. I walked in there real quick and I was like, hey, do you guys need an ATM? And she's like, yes, I need an ATM. I need an ATM so bad. Can you get me an ATM? And I'm like, absolutely, no problem. No ands, ifs, or buts. Literally next day installed. So a lot of people's problems getting phenomenal ATM locations and routes is, you know, they just are afraid to talk to people. Well, if you know you have a good service and you know you have a good business and you know you can provide good customer support, then why wouldn't you want to walk into the location and actually offer them a great service like your ATM business? Here we are actually at the location. I should probably fill my meter, that way I don't get a ticket, so we'll do that. As you guys saw, what I did is when I'm putting the cash inside the ATM, and again, you guys noticed that they were newer bills, I always flush them. And the reason I flush them is because I want them not to actually stick together. Because again, sometimes these ATMs, older ATMs, newer ATMs, the bills are so sticky and so tight that sometimes it sends out more bills than actually they wanted. So if it dispenses $80 and they only wanted $60, you just lost $20. So I make sure no bills actually stick together. Again, those are new bills, so I always do that with every single one of my ATMs. Alright guys, so as you saw in these little last screenshots, we pulled up to Mug and Main. Shout out to Dre. He is a phenomenal dude. He absolutely has one of the best barbershops in town. So again, if you guys need a haircut, then you guys need to go to Mug in Maine. It's actually in Scottsdale, ladies and gentlemen. That particular location, like I had said, you know, monthly returns is right around $200 a month. It is a little bit slower, but he also does take cards. You know, some people prefer to use cash. Obviously, I know the barbers prefer to use cash, but sometimes people are weary about the ATM, so they don't use the ATM. They want to Venmo them, they want to Cash App the individuals there. But the ATM is an accessory that barbershop has. And if you own a barbershop, then I definitely think that you should have an ATM inside of it. Whether you purchase your own and get a license or get, you know, connected with a good bank that is going to allow you to do the ATM business, then absolutely do it. The hardest part of getting into the ATM business is going to be getting a bank account that allows you to recirculate cash that you put inside the ATM. And honestly, it's probably one of the most most difficult tasks of the entire ATM business alone. Now, I just quickly filled this. I filled it with $2,000. That will probably last anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. The average transaction at that particular barbershop is right around 20. Actually, I think I have the receipt. I'll literally pull that up for you guys right now. The average transactional pull out right here is going to be $40. So $40 is going to be the average that individuals actually pull out at that particular barbershop. So, you know, if you do the math at $2,000 divided by $40, that's how many people are going to be able to use the ATM. That's how much your surcharge is going to be over the next 2 or 3 weeks. Now, again, it doesn't do a lot of transactions, but the surcharge is right around $3.75. Again, because it's in Scottsdale. Scottsdale, we can charge a little bit more for the people's money because it is Scottsdale. Again, that's something to take a look at. Take a look at different cities in different states and really the surrounding areas. So some cities and some zip codes you're going to charge a little bit more, and some other ones you're going to charge a little bit less just because of the higher transactional volume. At this particular location, we needed a higher surcharge because it gets less transactions a month for us to actually go out there and make money. Ladies and gentlemen, Austin Lewis here saying, if you guys would, drop in the comment section down below how many ATMs you own, or if you want an ATM, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this YouTube video because supposedly it helps the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying to figure it out. And make sure to come subscribe to me if you guys haven't already. Austin Lewis here saying, we'll see you guys in a future video.